They said you were the fast one.
All right, good.
So, I don't know what you do for a career, but I think you could be a driver.
You think so?
If you have, you know, if you ever need a reference.
It's a good thing that the race team's here and I can talk to.
Yeah, I think you might have a good, strong application. So this is your first time essentially in the street car.
It is pretty much. Yeah.
So you're a consumer, you're looking at buying a car. What is your professional opinion about the Z06?
I mean, so we've been driving these cars, not 10/10ths, but pretty darn hard for about an hour now. And the way that the car feels now is the same as it felt when I first went out. So it's pretty impressive that you can beat the cars this hard and they still provide you the same performance over and over and over and over again.
And you could wake up, you could go to your car show, then you could go to the track, and then you could go to the drag strip.
That part to me is crazy, how far cars have come these days.
Yeah, it's insane. So as a professional driver and everything,
there is one more.
Perfect. You're pretty impressed with the Z06.
Yes, massively so. My first experience was at Barber Motorsport Park in 40-degree weather in the pouring rain. So this is quite
It's a little bit nice, and you're not on Cup 2Rs.
Yes, yes.
Well, thank you very
problem.
much. This is amazing.
Thank you.